Because interviews are like that. The question in interview, do you know? I take interviews from PayPal. What kind of questions do we ask? Do you know? I want to launch PayPal in India. Can I launch it? These are the open-ended questions. Open-ended questions. You have to think through it. You have to decide what are the kind of parameters. Nobody is looking for the right answer here. People are looking for how you break down the problem. How you are actually making sure that you are looking at the right metrics, the right KPIs. Get it? So that is how you actually do it, right? So if you saw for the presentation that we did for global marketing head in Google, we launched the survey, and then if you saw, this is the final results. Like, these are the kind of clusters that we have. So and then you just can't leave it here, right? You have to give them insights, and you also give them the next steps, and you also give them the recommendation. Okay, these are the kind of customers that exist in our market. This is how we can target them, right? So let's say people are there who are tech savvy, who know about our brand. What do we do with those customers? How do we better target them? How do we, market, like you mentioned about, like we launch advertisements. What kind of advertisements will you launch? Right? So these things go behind strategies, building strategies for the companies. And nobody else will. You are the people who are going to do that in the coming future. आप ही सब लोग ये strategies build कर रहे होंगे. You know the average salary जो एक data scientist को मिलता है starting में, पता है? आप लोग data, like you all know, right, that you all can get into data science very easily. Any BBA student, any BTech student can get into data science. I told you, right? People with me are working from BBA and MBA. Yes. Right? So it's a vast domain, and at the same time, it's ever evolving. We know, right? ChatGPT, AI, everything is the mainstream right now. So because of data science, analytics, AI, this is the future. So just think through it. The aim of my session was to share my experience, and at the same time to just inculcate this thought inside you. Just start thinking about your future, because 2 साल कैसे बीतेंगे पता भी नहीं लगेगा, right? Even if you pursue your MBA, you need to have the right majors. किस में करोगे? It matters a lot. Yeah. Next slide, please. So core messages for you. I've already talked about most of them. Start taking initiative. Start taking action. Don't just ऐसे relax रहो. First year है, second year है, third year है. Yes. Next. Complete it. And the second thing is, be grounded. Don't let success enter into your head in any way. I've seen people. You also have seen people जो बहुत आगे पहुंचे, उसका success दिमाग में और yeah, we've seen that, right? Yes. We know their names also. You know? And then making a comeback. You have seen, right? From a failure, from a point where I had quit the company to a point where, there are awards and there are showers. Yeah? And you can be anyone. आप BBA कर रहे हो, आप data scientist नहीं हो सकते, ऐसा है ही नहीं. आप BBA कर रहे हो, आप एक singer नहीं हो सकते, ऐसा है ही नहीं. Yeah? Don't bottle your personality. अगर आप देखो अभी right now I'm a professional, like I'm a data scientist, but in the evening if I'm taking an art of living course, I'll be in my kurta pajama giving that discourse. In the night I'll be with my guitar singing. If I bottle my personality like नहीं मुझे तो बस professional ही रहना है, I'm a data scientist, ऐसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ मैं गाने कैसे गा सकता हूँ, मेरे को तो लोग हंसेंगे. Don't bottle your personality up. You can do anything and everything. Yeah? Because you have spent some time, in a particular aspect of your life. अगर आपने 3 साल BBA को दिए हैं, अब मैं data science में कैसे जाऊँ? There are infinite possibilities in life. Let the nature take over. आप अपना effort करो और बस free रहो. होता है, बस best ही होता है हम सबके लिए. ठीक है? And before you are a good coder, be a good human. That is super important. Yeah? Because I felt throughout my journey. ये मेरा quote मैं इसलिए डालता हूँ क्योंकि I felt throughout my journey. I have an office also.